said we never explore. Explore because we are not guided by these experts. Our family the labor parents going to the kangam the bay natra. Aduna this type of when a CC pain the katapinatra. No humaigo humiko. Can kaluno. Kitang pain, this is pain. Nangi kitang pain, no pain, no gain high call. Like this motto say, Tamgodobuni. No pain, no gain high call. Knowing a city give what yum halagane, I just no hoida request some cook to Rafael Nadal is Taraba. Tennis player Rafael Nadal to Taraba. Taro. Rafael Nadal is Taraba. Tennis player of how many months Rafael Nadal ko? Mana court manane, Egyptorum the boy can the later. My tennis is the call. Ngarang pasaba article miyaw ko ay kap kito eh. Koy mas masabi ang papa digi tinis sana batas. No, ay tak ko chin mamini ba ko. No hurin sa kadon tang iyong uso ba. Madi sana ba je hawluk ting idane mai makhong je. Yam na sathi ba koy gi disease ma khang na ba. Yam painful unbearable painful oi ba leina mane ba ko. Sana ba sunya yar roi hai doctor na. Adugu magi khungupse modify tokhoga magi soul gumba jisu yamna thick oiba soul something amaka hape ko aduga maja he carried on sana eduga last mana friends tennis open tennis ka normal lorom dai da sana ba ngamaroi daba pain killer se kapsal laga ko mai makhong siga lebak siga samne yisbo he cannot pull adu man win torkanda di ultimately ma yatra kanda di ma retire togi ko aduna life se kai natin noi khoina go ware ai mana du haide ai sak chaninga le atu as nothing noi su like tam na ne paisa tan su talu ka su kai de aduga aine ngasi Rafael Nadal na haira me du di ngarang khakta du uram bu gi highway wane ba ko aduna good morning respected dignitaries on the dais, and then it was our faculties mayam and all young friends. Makhagi program se maruina tawdri sidi khoi gi sparkle gi live kangu sina torkodoni na aina wa yam kana ngangjera roi togodabu just when I reached here morning ko I was thinking that this turned out in terms of thousands to la amganing khalle ba ko noi MIT gi institute na kamai toge ga je gyang tho hojdi world ji gyam thina fast way gre hojik se na AI hai do China da kamai tong na China gi AI company mix na they are just khoi gi ngasi makta I just cover the article on param bane open weight anako open weight noi horin yengo moi je tu free bit ever ado America gi companies mayam na paisa thada raga moi di sai free pi da hai tare ko ado that collision is going on competition highly competition war le hojik se aduga akhoi university haise noi akhoi mayam sina research tarago oza mayam satra mayam ji research toraga industry di da adugi kano knowledge pi doine ba adu akhoi just no I totally thokum je ba ko even though I am finance officer you might think oh my dealings is only finance no forget I am more into academic aduna anytime you all are welcome I am haising in another advice big even I want to learn from you. Hey, sir, today I've got some knowledge in this area. So I want to share with you this knowledge. Please come and share with me. I'm always ready to accept that knowledge. Even I want to learn from you. Aduga like the sugumba interaction never miss no. For that matter, if you are coming from science stream, sometimes you go to so-called humanities block the salu. They get social science ki block the salu. You attend their classes, political science class also. Kayam kana giyong. Noina is the watertight compartment and khaladi arway. I am coming from science stream. I don't want to learn politics. Yararway. How's the world is the kaidano interdisciplinary high dunia bako. Politics yaudraba, economics yaudraba. If you just claim, oh, I am scientist, why? Nangi science study you might contribute, but you are missing something. Adunu lyrics di satra wing da tambe aba haiba ba hayoro now we realize now hojik khatang I realize tore oh, I 30 years, 35 years, 25, 40 years book do ko, I see torumba yabane se ko. Even after coming into this service ko, I could have pursued some, further studies. 45 years hurkandadi, I cannot do haibase. I realized very late. I could have done MBA. Aduna nokhoi mayamdi huzik just haurukta ngari nen khanbiyo ko. It's not noina khalamba ya akhoi ju 12 orga toromba yabani. See 12 oiba satra Cambridge to yamna 75% scholarship phanga chatpi yai. And tests are also very easy. No class 12 ki nangi maths ki kari kara foundation nangi tamil do khatani hangdoi se. Thing is that we never explore. Explore tawdri karigino because we are not guided by these experts. Akhoi ki family da leiba parents ngai to di khangam da bai natra. Aduna this type of khoi nga sisi pen je khat tapi natra. Noi humai go hum mi ko. Kain khalu no. Kitang pain ne, this is pain. Nangi kitang pain, no gain hai se ko life ta this motto se tham godo bani no pain no gain hai ba se ko noi ngasi digi hore yum halaga ne aina just no khoi da request sam khak tok jage ba ko Rafael Nadal loi taraba tennis player Rafael Nadal do taraba bro Rafael Nadal je ta da bro ba tennis player apao bani ma je Rafael Nadal ko mana court mana ne Egypt torum da ba kano da leitre mai tennis da ko ngarang phasaba article am yawo ko ai kap ki tawe koi mas masagi am phapa digi di tennis sana batas no ai ta ko chen ba mi ne ba ko no horin chak am tang yeng so ba ma di sana ba je hauruk ting idane mai makhong je yam na sathi ba koi gi disease ma khang na ya ba yam painful way unbearable painful way ba leina amane ba ko sana ba sungya yar roi hai doctor na adu magi khungup se modify tok thoga magi soul gum ba jisu yamna thick koi ba soul something ama kha ha pe ko adu ga ma he carried on sana re adu ga last mana friends tennis open tennis ka normal lorom dai da sana ba ngam maroi da ba pain killer se kapsal laga ko my makhong siga lebak siga samne yisbo he cannot pull adu man win tor kan di ultimately ma yatra kan di ma retire to gi ko adu na life se kain natin noi khoina go ware ai mana du haide ai sak chaningai le adu as nothing no ju like tam na ne paisa tan gi su talu ka su kai de aduga aina ngasi Rafael Nadal na hairam me dudi ngarang khakta du uram budugi highway wane ba ko aduna America ga se satpa yade leite ko America satpi yu Stanford che kamai ling kharki ge du su pa bi yu Stanford chalu MIT chalu Europe ki apa ba university chalu akhoi ji phangok se kai gino khangbra we were not informed aduna ngasi people are coming here just to give this all information aduna sigi pot advantage lobby you your people are very young aduna mapanda salaga thabak tobi satpayai for work satpayai for study ki satpayai adu hoju sigi wenadi I think you people are going to abroad for study natra higher education ki chalu so aduga noina yamna haiti ka ju khalu no ko lairik ajidi you all are mature now noina hojik hana hayogdra su ko 6 months loi haidok pu yaba tane as I class 12 ki science lok da khairaktre MA tam thokre master tam thokre as pani ama hayogdre gana lari ga je kain nate mature ore ba kok si mature ore ba lari ga si dine tha taruk ta loi hayya bane tha taruk ta nangi science loi haido economics loi haido politics ka loi patho adu even now ko akhoi ju we don't stop breathing aduga ai ngambai khal ko even I am dreaming that someday I will get Nobel Prize. Even though we have crossed 50, 53, 54, 55, Nobel Prize, I can believe. Although I gumba middle age, Yoruba me Nobel Prize, so with this word, I conclude here. Thank you.